Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. So today, I'm finally sharing my honest experience using the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus, and I'll break this video into 3 parts: what I really like, what I don't like, and who this phone is actually for in 2026. Let's jump right in. What I like about the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. First up, the screen. This display is honestly one of the highlights of this phone. It's big, bright, and smooth, making it great for YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, and even casual gaming. The colors pop nicely, and for this price range, the screen quality feels premium. Next, the AI features. Infinix has been pushing AI quite hard, and I actually appreciate some of the smart touches here. From AI camera enhancements to system optimizations, the phone feels intelligent in day-to-day use. It's not flagship-level AI, but for a Hot Series device, it's impressive. Now let's talk about the build quality, especially how thin this phone is. This phone is surprisingly slim. Once you hold it, it doesn't feel bulky at all, and that makes it very comfortable for one-handed use. The design looks clean and modern, and honestly, it doesn't feel like a budget phone when you first pick it up. And of course, battery life. This is another strong point. The battery easily gets me through a full day and even stretches into the next day with moderate use. Whether you're scrolling, watching videos, or chatting all day, the battery performance is solid and reliable. Now let's talk about the downsides, because no phone is perfect. First, software and bloatware. This is probably my biggest issue. Out of the box, the phone comes with quite a number of pre-installed apps that most people won't use. Some of these apps also request system-level permissions, which raises privacy concerns for many users. On top of that, bloatware can affect performance over time if you don't disable or remove it. Second, software updates. This is honestly disappointing. We're already in 2026, but the phone is still stuck on October 2025 security updates. Android version upgrades and long-term software support remain a weak area for Infinix. If software longevity and fast updates are important to you, this is something you should seriously consider before buying. So, should you buy the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus? If you care about a good screen, slim design, strong battery life, and decent AI features at an affordable price, this phone makes a lot of sense. However, if you're someone who prioritizes clean software, privacy, and long-term Android updates, then you might want to look at other options or be ready to tweak the system a bit. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.